Hey, I'm Yanni from Javiani.com, teaching you how to make money online promoting other people's products. And in today's video, I'm gonna teach you a simple, very easy side hustle that you can do even if you have no skills, basically almost no money to invest, and you have done anything online before. So let's go and I will show you. So first of all, we go to animaker.com, which is a web app where we can create animated videos, and there are plenty of templates, and we can start it for free. So here you can see that we have plenty of templates. We just need to, like, for example, select one template, whatever templates we want, and customize. So let's choose this one, and immediately this app will import these templates where we can basically customize everything. There is a tutorial here to explain more in depth. Here there are many characters we can choose. We can customize basically everything. Here we can, you see, customize almost everything, and after that we can play this, so you can see here, okay, and then we can share with friends or immediately publish. So let's say that we want to publish and download the video. After having downloaded the video, we go to fiverr.com here, where we can see that we can sell this video for like 200, even more than 200. We can see like 269 here, or even 1200. So basically these are all animated videos. We just have only to look for animated videos on fiverr.com. And we can immediately start selling our videos and accepting orders. Another website where you can sell your animated video is Clicks. So you just put animated video, and here you can see very different prices, from $5 to $20, $100. So here is, of course, there are less people on Clicks, but the core strategy is diversify. You can put yourself in as many freelancer portals as you want, as long as you can fulfill the orders. Okay, this is the last one. It's called people per hour, and here you just type animated video like before, and here you can see other freelancers selling for 4K video editing, creating amazing logo, eye-catching whiteboard. So everything you can do with Animaker, the web app I've showed you before, Animaker, and here's other freelancers. So basically there are plenty of these freelance portal, but these are the main. So on Fiverr, on Fiverr, and on people per hour, and on plenty of 2 or 3 websites, you are very likely to get orders and make some bucks every single day. So this is a simple side hustle where you basically create video using a web app and sell the video using Fiverr. But you can also use people per hour, you can use Clicks, you can use whatever kind of online platform for freelancer to sell your videos and to accept custom orders. Once you accept them, you go to Animaker and build this animated video and deliver your product. So if you want to learn more in depth how to make money online using, for me, the best side hustle, which is affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and build a business on the long term, go to johnvianney.com and remember to subscribe to the channel.